Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Solarisbank. Solaris, review my usage experience. Solarisbank, Solaris, offers banking services, primarily focused on providing a digital banking experience for individuals and businesses. Their website provides details on features like account management, payment processing, and potentially other financial services. They aim to offer a modern, streamlined banking experience with a focus on ease of use and potentially innovative features. Their website emphasizes ease of use and transparency. They highlight features designed for straightforward account management and transaction processing. While specific pricing details aren't readily available on their homepage, they suggest focusing on competitive pricing and potentially no hidden fees. Availability is likely dependent on location and eligibility criteria, which can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Solarisbank. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was completely online, requiring only a few pieces of identification and a quick verification. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clean and clearly lays out account balances, recent transactions, and quick access to key features like transferring money or scheduling payments. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction history, which makes budgeting much easier. I transferred money between accounts several times, and the process was always fast and reliable. I had a quick question about setting up recurring payments, and their support responded within a day via email, providing clear instructions. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Managing everything through the website was fine, but a mobile app would add further convenience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Solarisbank. The ease of use and transparent interface are its strongest points. While it lacks a mobile app, the website's functionality more than compensates for this. That's my overview of Solarisbank. Solaris, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.